dried fruit. Or maybe you will do like me.
Prepare this dessert for on the festive table. Surprise your significant other. Pause.
Soak 25 grams of gelatin in 50 milliliters of cold water.
Pour 75 grams of cranberries with warm water.
Cooking Crepe Suzette.
Mix eggs, 85 grams of flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 350 milliliters of cream.
I use a mixer.
Don't forget a pinch of salt and vanilla.
Melt 2 tablespoons of butter.
Stir and leave to rest for 10 to 15 minutes.
Prepare Crepe Suzette in the end. I got 8 pancakes.
Crepe Suzette dough is not at all like regular dough.
Soon a separate video will be released on the channel with all the intricacies of preparing these wonderful French pancakes. Pancakes the same diameter.
You can also use a regular springform pan or even a lid or plate for this.
Cut dried apricots into small cubes.
Cut dried prunes into small cubes.
Place the cranberries on a napkin to drain off excess liquid.
Cut the kiwi into thin slices.
Cut the strawberries into small pieces. Heat the soaked gelatin to a liquid state. Do not boil. Mix 120 grams of sugar, 350 grams of ricotta, and 500 grams of yogurt thoroughly. Use an immersion blender or grind the cottage cheese through a sieve.
At this point, my camera decided not to show the addition of gelatin and turned off. Be sure to properly seal the sides of the pan, otherwise the cake will stick.
Regular cling film is also suitable for this, or generously brush the sides with unscented vegetable oil.
Assembling the cake.
Place Crepe Suzette on the bottom.
The layer of yogurt mixture should be at least 1.5 centimeters thick.
Place fruits or dried fruits in any order.
A cake with bananas and oranges will be very tasty. Try it and write me your impressions.
You can make the cake in half, how I do it.
This cake is versatile in that you can use any fruit, even frozen ones.
Friends, do you like this recipe?
Press down the pancake a little.
The fruit should be almost pressed into the yogurt.
I would like to know your opinion about the recipe. Write it to me in the comments.
The cake should stand in the refrigerator for at least 3 hours. Longer is better.
It's better.
My cake spent the night in the refrigerator.
Gently pull out the cake. Beautiful, is it not? It's also incredibly delicious.
Bon appetit!